In a world where time is a precious commodity, mastering the art of folding clothes quickly and efficiently can transform an everyday chore into a satisfying ritual. Picture this: a pile of freshly laundered clothes, warm and slightly fragrant, waiting to be tamed. At first glance, it seems like a daunting task, but with the right approach and a sprinkle of creativity, it can become a delightful experience. The first step in this journey is to set the stage. Choose a clean, spacious area to work. A flat surface, whether it's a bed, a table, or even the floor, can serve as your canvas. The space should be free from distractions, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. As you prepare, consider playing some upbeat music or a podcast that makes you smile. This can help elevate your mood and make the folding process feel less like a chore and more like a dance. Once your space is ready, it's time to tackle the pile. Begin with a systematic approach by sorting the clothes. Group similar items together: shirts with shirts, pants with pants, and so on. This not only streamlines the process but also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you see smaller piles form. As you sort, take a moment to appreciate each piece of clothing. Remember the stories behind them: the cozy sweater gifted by a friend, the shirt worn on a memorable outing. This reflection adds a personal touch and can make the task feel more meaningful. Now, let's dive into the actual folding techniques. One of the most efficient methods is the 2-second fold for t-shirts. Lay the shirt face down on your flat surface. With a swift motion, fold the sleeves inward, creating a rectangle. Then, fold the shirt in half from the bottom to the top, and finally, fold it in half again. Voila! You have a neatly folded shirt that takes up minimal space. Practicing this technique can significantly cut down your folding time, and soon, you'll be able to fold each shirt in mere seconds. For pants, the roll and fold method is a game changer. Start by laying the pants flat, smoothing out any wrinkles. Fold them in half lengthwise, aligning the legs. Then, starting from the waistband, roll them down tightly to the cuffs. This not only saves space in your drawers but also helps prevent creases. As you roll, you can think of it as packing for a trip, creating a sense of adventure and anticipation for the next time you wear them. When it comes to towels, the tri-fold method is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Begin by folding the towel in half lengthwise, then fold it in half again. After that, take one end and fold it towards the center, followed by the other end. This technique results in a compact, tidy towel that stacks beautifully on a shelf or in a closet. The satisfaction of seeing a neat row of perfectly folded towels can be immensely rewarding. As you fold, consider incorporating some fun elements. For instance, challenge yourself to beat your previous folding time or create a rhythm with your movements. Each fold becomes a part of a choreographed routine, making the process feel more dynamic. You might even find yourself inventing little games, like seeing how many shirts you can fold in a minute or trying to fold each item with a single hand. These playful challenges can turn a mundane task into a lively competition with yourself. Another tip is to create a designated space for your folded clothes. Whether it's a drawer, a shelf, or a basket, having a specific place for each item can streamline the process. As you fold, visualize where each piece will go. This not only helps with organization but also gives you a sense of completion as you place each item in its rightful spot. Over time, you'll develop a mental map of your wardrobe, making it easier to find what you need without rummaging through piles. Once you've mastered the basic techniques, consider experimenting with different folding styles. For example, the file folding method for t-shirts allows you to see all your options at a glance. Instead of stacking shirts on top of each other, fold them vertically and place them upright in a drawer. This not only saves space but also adds a touch of elegance to your wardrobe. You'll find it easier to choose an outfit in the morning when everything is visible and accessible. As you progress in your folding journey, don't forget to celebrate your achievements. Set small milestones, like folding a certain number of items in a row or completing your entire laundry in record time. Each time you reach a goal, take a moment to acknowledge your hard work. You could even reward yourself with a treat, perhaps a favorite snack or a few minutes of relaxation with a book or a show. This positive reinforcement can motivate you to keep improving your folding skills. Lastly, remember that practice makes perfect. The more you fold, the more efficient you will become. Over time, you'll develop your own rhythm, discovering what techniques work best for you. Embrace the process, and don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. Folding clothes doesn't have to be a mundane task. It can be a creative outlet, a moment of mindfulness, or even a way to express your personal style. In the end, mastering the art of folding clothes quickly and efficiently is not just about the end result, it's about the journey. It's about finding joy in the mundane, creating order in chaos, and taking pride in the little things. So the next time you face a mountain of laundry, remember these tips and techniques. Embrace the challenge, make it enjoyable, and watch as the simple act of folding clothes transforms into a rewarding experience that adds a touch of beauty to your day.